3 days later.
Has this ever happened to you? It's the night before Airsoft and you've been frantically trying to charge your LiPo battery for way too long. Well, I'm sorry to say this, but it looks like you've got yourself a dead battery. Fear not, my friends, this video will show you the many ways you can bring that dead battery back to life. Today, you will learn how to fix any LiPo battery that just won't charge anymore. Now, of course, this pesky LiPo battery just won't respond, will it? Your first method should be to try and vigorously aggravate it. When in doubt, poke it out. Just poke the ever-loving shit out of this bugger until you think it's had enough. And when it's had enough, poke it a little bit more. Sometimes, poking your LiPo battery won't be enough to get your message across, so I suggest giving it a good shake or two. I'm not talking about one big old friendly shook'ems. You gotta shake this thing like it owes you money, like it's hiding something from you. Give it a good rattle. Don't be shy. Shake the damn thing. Shake it! Shake it, damn it! Now, of course, depending on your brand of LiPo battery, sometimes the shake and poke method just won't do. This brings us to our next method. I mean, this battery is essentially asleep, dead asleep. When you're dealing with something that just won't wake up, it's time for a good old-fashioned splashing. You gotta make sure your water is ice cold. Otherwise, what's even the point? I'd suggest tossing in a good handful of ice cubes just to make sure the temperature of your water stays low. If you don't have any ice cubes handy, frozen bananas will do just fine. Well, you're all set. We got our ice cold banana water. It's time to wake up our sleepy LiPo battery.
Alas, water isn't always the answer.
We as humans live by many schedules, almost down to a ritual sense. Now think, what's the most common way we make sure we're always on time and never tardy? We've clearly got an extremely tardy LiPo battery on our hands. I think it's time we wake it the hell up so it can get its life back on track.
Get your ass up!
Look, we all get it. Sometimes sleep just isn't enough, man. That's where a good old cup of joe comes in to save the day. Any type of coffee will do here, guys. I've got some instant coffee here, so in this case, 2 spoonfuls and you're good to go. Add water, give it a good stirring, and just toss it in. At this point, enjoy your coffee because God knows you need it. Eventually, our little friend should have enough coffee in it to go through thousands and thousands of BBs without losing any of its charge. When all else fails, threaten the damn thing. It's time we stop playing fair. No more second chances here. You gotta make this little guy fear for his life. Threaten its friends. Put it through excruciating torture by any means necessary in order to make it compliant. Or maybe it's really dead. There's no time to waste! Get down on the floor and resuscitate immediately! You know the method. Compress and blow. Compress and blow. Come on, little guy. Don't die on me now. You have so much to live for. I need you to power my airsoft gun, please. There's so many BBs I want to shoot, but I need you to continue. I can't do this without you. There is one more thing you could try. This method is not for the faint of heart, but it is the most effective. Once you've created your gateway to the other side, make sure you've done a decent job. If you don't possess the crushed bone dust of orphan children, preferably whom have passed on Christmas Eve, flour will do just fine. It's time for your blood offering. This is very important, and no, it cannot be your blood. This must be the blood of that whom which has contributed to your 19th YouTube comment. If you do not know who that is, or you do not possess such, pasta sauce will do. But please, make sure it's extra chunky. Now we wait. It's not clear how long you need to wait, but you'll know. This part might take 30 seconds, or it might take 30 minutes. So don't be a bitch, or get some knee pads. The resurrection is almost complete. All that's left is to consume the contents of your chalice. Make sure you drink it all, and the ritual will be complete. Okay, just to show you guys this method works, I've went ahead and cleaned up, and here we are again with our charger and LiPo battery. Ah, success! It works. Well, there you go, guys. Many will tell you it's impossible, but this is how you fix any dead LiPo battery. I hope you guys learned something today. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple guides like this one in the future. Take care, and happy shooting, my friends.